the most complex sport in the world. There is no comparisons with anything else that exists. Car development doesn't exist without accurate data. Laurent Mekies, CEO and team principal of Oracle Red Bull Racing. Formula One is on a league on its own. It's the most complex sport in the world. There is no comparisons with anything else that exists. You go you get to the racetrack, put the driver into it, go around the 6 kilometer circuit, and measure the difference in milliseconds. If you want to push them to the absolute limit, you need to have that absolute trust in the accuracy of what we are measuring. And that's exactly what we have with Hexagon, and that's why this partnership is so successful.
It's a tough environment, and you're up against some of the biggest automotive names in the industry, and they are not going to hand over anything without a fight.
Ultimately, on the racetrack, we can win and lose races by a fraction of a second. And so everything has to be right. An F1 car costs approximately $15 million to make. There's a huge amount of parts that have to come together and all work perfectly in order to achieve our best. With Hexagon support, we've managed to reduce our faults by 50% over the last 2 years.
Precision is key in the design and development of a Formula One power unit. We have to ensure that the manufacturing and the build quality is exactly as design intended. And with thousands of dynamic components within a power unit, we must remain accurate and consistent.
The Hexagon equipment is vital to our preparation of the car. We use it to measure the setup condition of the car, so the right heights, cambers, toes, the usual variables in early car assembly.
We use Hexagon CMMs, trackers and arms, all mounted with scanning technology and their software in order to inspect all of our components. The Hexagon technology has to be able to deal with every type of surface that we put in it. Hexagon scanners are so accurate that we can even detect a single layer of paint.
The FIA measure legality with Hexagon equipment. If you are outside FIA requirements, you're not in control of your own destiny. It's a breach of the technical regulations, out you go. With the Hexagon equipment, you know what your tolerances are, and as such, you can measure to that accuracy. The game we then play is how close do we push ourselves to those legality boundaries, and we go quite close, and we do so with confidence, as we believe that if the FIA check the car, they will have the same result as we do.
So when we talk about the learning curve, what we're really talking about is 20,000 updates to the car every season. The faster we can go through those 20,000 iterations and put them on the car and understand them, the faster we can develop the car. Because we're able to get accurate parts onto the car quicker than anybody else, we can win the development race, and that's what helps us win on track.
Hexagon's partnership benefits us not just for hardware, but for knowledge, skills, usage techniques. So if we ask Hexagon for help is given and we benefit.
Red Bull Ford Powertrains has a great technical partnership with Hexagon, and we can trust and rely on them to bring the next steps in innovation and technology.
The future of Red Bull Racing is to continue to strive to win races, and we need Hexagon technology to help us develop our car to the leading edge of performance.
Car development doesn't exist without accurate data. We use Hexagons across all engineering departments here, chassis, power unit. Hexagon's partnerships means everything we are looking for a strategic partner when it comes to technology. Hexagon is helping us to stretch the boundaries to its absolute limit.